Chigi, let's run again. Para kay Chigi. Kaso Kiambao. Back to the group. JD backing up, spinning, down the line. Soriano underneath, powering his way to the basket. That's the right teammate. Back to Kiambao. Wow, move, crossing over to Raji on the corner. Bam! Raji losing the ball. Ito lang ang kuha ng 6 Mensajeros. Soriano with the basket. Kiambao. 3 seconds. 14 on the shot clock. Kiambao faking a 3.